Hello and welcome everybody. Today we're going to have a discussion about your algorithm. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, algorithm. Now your algorithm on, let's say on YouTube, works basically the same as your hippocampus in your mind works. So what it does, it gives you more content on what you want to focus on. Now it sounds interesting, but if you look at somebody's let's say YouTube feed or TikTok feed, you will definitely see what they are interested about and focused on. And most of the time there's negative things in between as well. So how do we resolve the issue with our hippocampus, or let's call it our algorithm? Now, the more you start to watch something on YouTube, for instance, like positive videos, or let's say even sports videos, you'll get more of those contents. But the more you watch evil, you will start to see evil. Now, I know there's evil in this world, but the problem is we do not focus on evil. We focus on good. Now, if we go back to the days that the laws was given, I believe the purpose of the law was to train and teach people that there is consequences to your actions. Let's say an eye for an eye. Something happened and you lost an eye. Now the one that caused you to lose an eye have to lose an eye as well. But at the end of the day, you'll have two people that doesn't have one eye, and therefore it didn't rectify the problem. It only leveled the field. So what do we do? Well, it's not an eye for an eye in today's terms anymore, even though people would love to have an eye for an eye. But rather, it would be that there's hope for somebody to change when they harmed you. Not you harming them back, but you giving them forgiveness so that they've got the ability to change. If we still remain on an eye for an eye, that is how it's going to remain. But when we start to train and teach people to see the good and rather choose good than evil, then we're going to see a difference. So I'm challenging you today to renew your mind, to renew your algorithm, to renew your hippocampus, to see the good in this world. Look away from evil and looking unto good, and to see the goodness in this world. Be the change in the world you want to see today. Father, I pray for my friends and that we'll all want to see good. Help us to see and focus on good, because we want to see more good in this world. We want to see this world to be changed and transformed into your image and likeness. We want this to bring heaven to earth on this world. Help us to accomplish our mission, and help us to change our lives first and then change the world. I thank you for your love, and I thank you for your mercy. And I thank you for that in the name of Yeshua. Be blessed.